Want that healthy, radiant glow without spending a fortune on expensive treatments? You're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful tips on how to get glowing skin naturally, all backed by science and easy to do at home. If you're looking for home remedies for glowing skin and natural skincare tips, stick around. The simplest yet most underrated secret to glowing skin is hydration. Drinking enough water flushes out toxins and keeps your skin plump and radiant. Want an extra boost? Add lemon and honey to your water. It's a fantastic glowing skin home remedy that detoxifies and nourishes your skin from within. What you eat reflects on your skin. Load up on antioxidant-rich foods like berries, nuts, and green veggies. These superfoods fight free radicals and boost collagen, giving you that natural glow. For an added skincare boost, try omega-3 rich foods like salmon or flax seeds. Your skin will thank you. An effective skincare routine for glowing skin doesn't have to be complicated. Cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt. Exfoliate once a week to get rid of dead skin cells, and always moisturize to keep your skin hydrated. Want an easy skincare tip at home? Use aloe vera gel. It soothes, hydrates, and adds an instant glow. Ever heard of beauty sleep? It's real. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep. Lack of sleep leads to dull, tired skin, so switch off those screens early, relax, and let your skin rejuvenate overnight. Nature has the best skincare secrets. One of the best home remedies for glowing skin is a turmeric and honey face mask. Turmeric fights inflammation and honey hydrates, leaving you with a bright, dewy glow. Try it once a week for an instant skin boost. And there you have it, 5 easy and effective ways on how to improve skin glow naturally. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more beauty tips for glowing skin, and share this with someone who needs that glow up. See you in the next video.